Muslim, Christian, Jew, Hindu, Buddhist, and atheist one too. And all in between. This is for the absolute positive, good God and truth of you only crossing here and now, bigger and better. For the discussion today, I want to talk about subatomic particles. But before I do that, I would like to say that name in a light in which I think if it's seen in, it will better express what I have to say, okay? The word subatomic, okay? Well, we know that word sub means micro, mini, less than, okay? And anything atomic means an atom, okay? Well, in all things physics of reality, okay, an atom is the absolute smallest, right, particle of matter that is good as truth, right? Absolutely, positively bigger and better than all negativity that could destroy it, okay? And anything less than that atom, right, is only static, twisted, scattered, undefined energy of matter, right? Popping in and out of time and space, right? Right? Only waiting to be absorbed to the absolute bigger, better, good truth of the circuitry of an atom. The neutral of nothing, okay? Absolutely one more positive, good as the truth of an atom than all negativity. Again, at the smallest Planck length of existence, right, the energy of it is just a circuit, one more positive than all negativity that would not have the bigger and better of it, good as truth here and now. When this circuit of energy makes protons and neutrons, right, it does it by creating smaller circuits of energy inside of them, which are called quarks. Inside a proton, right, is 2 up quarks and 1 down quark, okay? And inside a neutron is 2 down quarks and 1 quark, 1 up quark. And this energy, right, through the circuitry of the quarks inside of the proton and the neutron, create them good as true for what they are here and now inside of the atom, okay? Now, as long as this atom stays more positively charged, good as the truth of it only adding up, well, that's the bigger and better of the buildings, trees, you, me, everybody of everything, okay? E equals MC squared, right? The proton is the positive energy of all things, building blocks to the good truth of all in body of matter, only crossing to a bigger, better here and now. Meaning, if you only state here and now to cross one more positive than all negativity, right? That will only add you up good as the truth of your shape, form, and mass of atoms crossing and bonding. That's the only way you can stay, be, or are good as truth. Only adding up good as truth to an absolute bigger, better of you here and now. You cannot be destroyed for that. That does not suffer out of existence, decay, disintegrate, or die anywhere. That is the bigger and better of all existence of reality. The buildings, trees, you, me, everybody of everything to be more positive than all negativity. But when you absorb the energy, which is the electron field around you, right, more negative than a positive charged atom, right? Well, that negative, right, through the neutron of the atom stops the atom to be able to bond more positive, to keep the good truth of its shape, form, and mass, right, to other bonding atoms, good and relevant together. And it's the decay and disintegration of all things, right? Bonding matter, good as the truth of atoms, only crossing bigger and better to the good truth of them. And it's only that way, one way, okay? Again, anything less than the positive good truth of a protonic atom, right? Only crossing bigger and better as its matter is just negatively deficient. It is the one same as all things subatomic energy, and it is static, twisted, scattered, blinding, and undefined. And like I said in other videos, a proton is a caster of positive energy, of the enlightenment out of it, okay, through the reality check of a proton, okay? And a neutron is a caster of shadow. And every time you cross with faith, okay, which is always negatively deficient, of only crossing one more positive than all negativity, right? You apply to this neutron, and you cause it to become less than what a positive good atom charged by its proton should be. And it becomes a subatomic particle of the atom, right? Mutating it static, twisted, scattered, and undefined to the bigger, better of the here and now of its reality check, to whatever it's bonding out with. And if it's an atom that can split, right, it's the static, twisted, scattered, undefined matter of the neutron until it splits, okay? But we're not dealing with splitting atoms with you and me, okay? But it's that negative energy. It's that less than wholly positive and good truth of an atom that causes all things subatomic, okay, to be static, twisted, scattered, and undefined at any time. And it's the same negative energy that has everything that is protonic and atomically correct, crisscrossing the same way, static, twisted, scattered, blindly undefined. See, if you think the world crosses bad or neutral, and you're not just bringing all you are of negativity back more positive to always add you up good as truth, well, that's a black hole effect on your matter. I mean, to cross negative with negativity, right, is the devil of you. It's the hell of you. It's the incarnate of all things evil of you, right? An evil eye on you, right? A devilishly delusional evil eye on you, to the decay and disintegration and the death of you, right? To nothing but particles of energy of dust in the wind, waiting to be reabsorbed to the absolute bigger, better of you here and now. Good as the truth of an atom man evolved again. Okay? But no longer will you ever be you, because you, for what you are, is in a perpetual state of negative. See, once you no longer have a choice, see, to bring all you are back more positive and negative, well, that's just the one nothing of you here and now. The no longer of you here and now as good energy, good matter, good parts. It's just static, twisted, scattered, undefined matter of you being reabsorbed anywhere the cosmos states you at that point as a bigger, better matter, good as the truth of your shape, form, and mass of atoms crossing and bonding. And this is why physics is having a hard time with the subatomic and the atomic, is because they don't understand that nothing is neutral. Listen to me. Neutral is a lie everywhere it's stated. An atom isn't neutral. A neutron isn't neutral. There's no neutral place for anything. Okay? Now, no, in reality, either you're crossing one more positive than all negativity, right? Only adding up good as truth, relevant. The only way you can be or stay good as truth, right? To an absolute bigger, better of you here and now in reality check, or you're not. You're just negatively deficient, crisscrossing static, twisted, scattered, blindly what's holy and good as truth, right? Back to atomic and subatomic particles of you waiting to be reabsorbed back bigger and better, good as truth of the here and now reality check of you. And that is a fact of God check. From the full thief man, God, King, Adam man, first evolved, the triple male of all I am. Peace.